A box came yesterday that I am really excited to share with you, so go ahead and stick around if you're interested in seeing what I got from Playful Learning Press. Hi everyone, welcome to our homeschool table. My name is Jerilyn. I am a homeschooling mom of 3 kids, ages 11, 4, and 2. And here on my channel, I share all about homeschool related topics, so go ahead and click that subscribe button and stick around. So let's go ahead and just open it right up. Like I said, this is from Playful Learning Press, and I'll tell you about how I learned about it in just a minute. But a couple of things that came in this box is a little bookmark that shows all of the different levels of reading curriculum that this company offers, along with some QR codes so that I can see the letter crafts and activities and free printables. So that is pretty cool. So first I'm just going to show you all the components that came in the box, and then we'll talk a little bit about it in a moment. So this is the ABC See, Hear, Do flashcards. This is the uppercase letters for level 1, ages 2 through 5. So this goes along with the curriculum. This is also a little box of CVC word uppercase flashcards. Then we have the Cat Can Fix It, I Can Read level 1. So this is a reader. We have the ABC See, Hear, Do, Learn to Read uppercase letters. This is the main book, and this is the book that I had seen on some other homeschool channels, which made me super interested in the program. So I'll come back to this in a minute. Then we have the writing practice. This is for uppercase letters. So level 1 is the uppercase letters, and then level 2, you would practice all of the lowercase letters. So I just have level 1 here, and this is the full curriculum package if you were to order it complete from the company. And I will put down here how much this program costs for the whole, all of the components. So this is the uppercase letters writing practice book. Then we have the coloring book for the uppercase letters. And last but not least, this gem is a curriculum and activity guide. And this I am really excited to look through and read more about, because this is kind of the teacher's manual, you might say, for getting lots of good ideas. So I am going to be doing a flip through on this curriculum in the next week or so. So I definitely hope that you will subscribe and stick around here so that you don't miss that video, where I'm going to talk a little bit more about the program once I really dive into it and kind of figure out how to use it. But before I go today, I do want to show you this program. This is the book that you may have seen. Like I said, this is called the ABC See, Hear, Do, Learn to Read program. And like I said earlier, there are 7 levels. This is level 1, so it's just uppercase letters. And it tells you a little bit about how to use the book at the beginning. And some channels that I've seen this curriculum on, they just use this book and maybe the handwriting book. So you might have seen those before. But basically, the premise of this curriculum is that you use seeing the letter, hearing the sound, and then doing an action. So on the bottom of each letter page, there is an explanation of what the do part or the action would be. So it says, for cat, curl your hands like claws and scratch. So you would say k, k, k. And so each of the different letters has a different motion to go along with that sound. And they don't teach the letters in alphabetical order. They teach the letters in an order to where after every few letters that they teach, your child should be able to read some words. So here we had just done 4 letters, and they can already sound out the word cat and mat. And then you learn a few more letters, and at the end of that, you would be able to read some more words. So then the really cool part is that after your child has gone all the way through this book, that is when they should be able to read all of the words in the reader. So this is super cool, and I'm really excited to use this with my son mostly, but also my little 2-year-old daughter, I know will pick stuff up from this as well. So the reason that I was so excited about this program is because of all of the hands-on kind of doing parts of this curriculum. And not that the curriculum that we were using for letters was bad. It's just that I wasn't seeing a lot of progress in remembering the sounds and the names. Now, this program does focus on the sound of the letters, not so much the name. And so I will incorporate what the name of the letters are because we've already been practicing them a little bit. But I'm really excited about pairing the motions with the sounds to help remember. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some flip through videos, just a little bit about how this program works in the coming weeks. So definitely make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss that. Thank you so much to the Playful Learning Press for sending this curriculum to me. The author is Stephanie Hull, and the illustrations are by Jennifer Bartlett. So you can see their pictures here on the back of all the materials. And like I said earlier, these materials this is everything that would come with level 1. And you can order the materials from their website, or you can also order these off of the Rainbow Resource Center website. And that is actually where I heard about this curriculum from the author, because she just recently did an interview with the ladies at the Rainbow Resource Center on their YouTube channel, and I will link that down below in the description box so that you can go and watch that video, because she explains all about why she created the program and her method kind of behind the way that she created this, and it's so cool. So I am really excited to try this and look forward to those upcoming videos about the flip through and how we're liking it. I will definitely be sharing about how this program is going in our future update videos, so look for that in November. And other than that, if you have any questions about this program, please let me know so that I can maybe answer them in my next video. And if you've used this program before, I can't wait to hear your thoughts on it and how you liked it. Or if you have a different level that you have used from this program that you really liked, let me know that too, because I'm definitely interested in continuing on if it really works with my son. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today at our homeschool table. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button if you like unboxings and enjoyed this video today, and we'll see you next time.